Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 30th of March to the 3rd of April 2026 on Monday. Phumulo meets his match and returns home with the scars to show for it. Fefo offers Melita a job as his personal assistant on Tuesday. A celebration takes a scary turn when someone from the past shows up unexpectedly. Mr. Q managed to impress Mrs. Homo and Charles, but Alfred unjustly takes the credit on Wednesday. Lehasa succumbs to blackmail, but this or his uncle has a different agenda. Kwezi is hunted by her dark past. Melita catches a plan to profit from Jacque's beauty on Thursday. Phumulo is left to clean Lehasa's mess. Evelyn's plan to unseat Alfred get underway. Kwezi's personal demons follow her to her workplace on Friday. Phumulo's plan to get rid of an enemy is interrupted. Kwezi's nightmare goes from bad to worse. Mr. Homo returns home devastated after visiting his daughter's grave. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.